Hey there, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to create your WhatsApp business account on your device. For that, firstly, make sure you have downloaded the application on the device. So to get started, tap on WhatsApp business application and now tap on agree and continue button. So on this page it is shown if you want to use the same number of WhatsApp or use a different number. If you want to use the same, then you can tap on use, or else to use different number on WhatsApp business, you need to tap on use a different number. So here you can enter the code. Before that, tap on the country and you can select the country on this page. Come back again and select the country code and enter the different mobile number. Or else if you don't want and use the same number, then you can come back to WhatsApp business again, tap on agree and continue and tap on use the same number. Now it says that to move your chat history, media and contact information, you need to allow WhatsApp business access to your contacts and your devices, medias and files. So now tap on continue. You need to allow WhatsApp business to access your contacts. So tap on allow. To allow WhatsApp business to access photos and media, tap on allow. So now you need to verify the WhatsApp business. The WhatsApp verification has already been completed. Now, once you are done with transferring all the data, you can change the business profile also. By tapping on the photo, you can choose any way to access the profile photo or else leave as it is. Now you can enter the business name into the category 2 of the business and now tap on next. You need to wait a moment. So it has been shown that your WhatsApp business has already been created. I hope this video was useful. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.